What's up, muscle car people? Bringing muscle cars here, and we're at the shop, and we've got our red SN95 back finally. It's been at Lobs for so long, and what we're going to do is immediately ruin it. Quinn, what are we doing?
We're going to install an STI wing that we have laying around to give us maximum downforce and maximum clout points.
So what Quinn is doing right now, he is using a cardboard template to mark out the holes where we're going to drill for the wing. So we're not complete savages about this. We actually take some care.
This is a 2 out of 10 job.
But it still counts.
More than one.
We will be savages when we install these on the hood later on today.
Not today.
Check out our sick custom painted pony emblem. That's gonna get stolen immediately.
They are pretty easy to steal. You just need a screwdriver.
No,
Wait,
the other ones are just broken off. So now that Quinn has our template made up, he's setting it down where he wants it before he starts drilling holes in our trunk.
I'm gonna try to just get it square best I can. Maybe grab a tape measure and verify.
There you go.
So I got my small holes drilled. These are gonna be my pilot holes for the larger drill size I'm going to step up to next. But I'm going to grab all my hardware, figure out what diameter final size hole I need to drill, and then we'll see if everything lines up and cross our fingers that it does.
What's the issue here?
So it's got like this dual layer. So there's almost like 2 inches between this layer and the outside layer. So I gotta get some clearance so that we can just put our washer right through and mount it on the back side of that. Also, I'm not wearing safety squints, so good enough.
All right, guys, while Quinn continues to figure out how to mount the spoiler there, I put in the harness bar from the Thunderbird. Yay, team. Matt is not going to be happy, but it's secure enough. It's in the car. We'll put the back seat in somehow. And we've got our old racing seats over there.
There they go.
And Quinn just dropped a bunch of washers down the trunk.
Cut twice, measure never. Let's try it again. Yep, that's way better. And now I have to do this. Yeah, buddy.
Quinn, how do you feel about yourself?
I feel like we made gold. We had to massage it in a little bit more than we initially thought. The template was off by a little bit, but we got it to work, and now it's all mounted. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's nice to reuse these old parts that we've had fun with in the past and apply them to a new project. So yeah, hope you like this. I know this might offend some people. It is a STI wing on a Mustang, but I think it looks cool. Jared thinks it looks cool. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this video and want more of these hack jobs, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you got a fast car, you better bring it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.